If you're a compulsive online shopper, then there's no better way to track all of your purchases than in one single location using deliveries from JuneCloud. Available on iPhone, iPad, and now Mac, here's a look at the best way to track your packages. You might be thinking, what's the point in having an app like Deliveries? Well, I'm going to break it down into 3 main reasons why Deliveries is really useful and handy, as opposed to only using a regular website. Number 1 is organization. Deliveries allows you to easily add any tracking numbers, so this is great if you just finished your holiday shopping online and all you have is a bunch of tracking numbers cluttering your email. Deliveries provides a great layout displaying when each package will arrive on the left and the name and location as well. It's very well done, and you can even go into one of your packages to view detailed data about it. You can also reorganize the packages yourself, and you'll notice the use of color for packages that will arrive sooner than the ones that will arrive later. The second reason why this is better than your standard FedEx website is you can get notifications right from your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Once your package is delivered, you'll know with the notification. This is really great if you're not home and something is dropped off at your door and you just completely forgot you ordered it. Again, with notifications, you'll receive updates on the status of your delivery, not only when it's delivered, but if there's a delay or problem with the shipment, you'll know right away. Third and finally, you can add estimated delivery dates to your calendar with just a few easy steps, which is awesome. But you might not even have to do that with the great iCloud integration that will sync your deliveries between your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Overall, if you're a crazy online shopper, this app is a must-have. You'll really make it easy on yourself by keeping all your deliveries inside Deliveries, which is only $4.99 for iOS and $4.99 for your Mac as well. Personally, I just use it on my iPhone, and it's the perfect way to track your orders. Anyway guys, if you guys like this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, as it really does help me out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.